Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah.
What it do, what it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? That ain't nobody but Sue Me Sue, about to do the do. Girl, listen, we're gonna jump right into this video. We not gonna dilly, we not gonna dally. We're gonna talk about a few things and we just gonna have a good time. Look at these brows, girl. They is strong. Okay, strong brows for me. Okay, we're back to the strong brows. I don't know, maybe it's just a summer thing. I don't know. I've been playing with that dip brow pomade again instead of the little pencil, and okay, but I like it. I'm feeling it. Okay, so we're gonna roll with it. Listen, we ain't got no hair, so we got to take it there. Y'all already know. Megalook coming through. Shout out to them for sponsoring this video. Truly appreciative. You guys know, love a good hair sponsor over here. Okay, because I feel like we just you can't have enough hair. Okay, you just can't. Today's hair is sponsored by them. I'm going to roll the clip of me styling and doing all of that, and then we're gonna come on back and do this makeup. I'm not gonna put the hair on just yet, okay? We're filming this in reverse. The hair is already prepped, but I'm gonna show you the video. I'm just gonna set it down. You know what I'm saying? Whoop de whoop, shibbity boop boop boop, and then we gonna come on back and do the do further down because it's just what I feel like doing, okay? So for all the information on this, make sure you check the description box. Everything will be down there for you. You guys already know if it ain't good hair, it don't make it on hair. Okay, so let go.
Everywhere to find her. Searched everywhere. Is she a dream or in reality? Whoa, whoa, oh, oh, oh. I'm not the man I once was. I'm drifting like a ship that's lost at sea. When I close my eyes, she's all I see. I can't find no remedy. My heart's a villain in my chest. She made a card
Okay, so I'm gonna set that aside and we're gonna do the makeup. Because it's just a closure type of thing, I don't feel like I need to put it on right now. I can put it on after. And as you can tell by the curl pattern, I don't wanna have that on me, you know, and I don't wanna scrunch it up. I kinda wanna let it stay the way it is. So I wanna be relaxed while I'm doing my makeup, and then we're gonna come on back and just throw it on because there's nothing else to style. We just need to put it on, stick it down. I might stick it down, I might not. We're gonna stick it down. Let's just stick it down and have a good time, okay? Really been practicing how to curl my hair like that. I have been trying forever. I'm still practicing, so for that reason, I really don't want to wear it right now and spoil up those curls, okay? Anywho, make sure you check them out, and shout out to them once again to sponsoring this video. Everything will be linked down below. So without further ado, let's zoom in so we can get within. So, welcome to my face. We are up close and personal, okay? So, Juvia's Place recently launched their new little collection. Absolutely love these. You guys know how I feel about this company, so I'm not even going, okay? So, we got 4 palettes. We got a green one. Okay, the green palette, really pretty, full of greens, but we're not gonna do this because I feel like I've been giving you guys so much color. We have a teal one. Okay, wait, the Rebel series. Girl, read the thing, okay? This is their Rebel series. So we have the Rebel Army. Now we have a Rebel Mint, okay? Very tealy, minty colors, really pretty. And then we have the Rebel Honey, okay? True to her name, very neutral, very pretty. Not gonna do this because I think I've been giving y'all a lot of neutrals lately. And then we have the Rebel Grays, which is the one I am gravitating to today because I can't tell the last time I did a gray look. And I think it's overdue. So perfect timing. So we're gonna do a look off of this palette. So if you have it, or if you have something like it, go ahead and whip it out and let go. So I'm gonna do my base and clean up under my brows off camera. And let's get right on into this look. I'm really excited today. It might not look like it. It's just, okay. It's just, okay. Okay, so I am not quite sure exactly how I want to approach this look. Do I want to do a halo look? Do I want to do like the 3, like a gradient look? Do I want to, I don't know. Let's do a halo look, girl. Okay. So first I'm gonna go in with the darkest gray. Okay, so there is 1 matte, 2 very metallic shimmers, and then a subtle shimmer. This is very subtle. It's not quite, it's like a satin, okay? Yeah. We're gonna go in with the darkest gray, and we're going to start to hug the eye and create the shape, basically. So let's go ahead and do that. I don't know why I'm digging to, because I know these things are pigmented. Okay, there's no need to be doing all this digging. So first, I'm just going to pack it on, create the shape, and get it going, and then I'm gonna go in and lightly blend it out. Now, because there's not a lighter shade in here to blend it out, I'm just going to very lightly tickle the edges after I'm finished placing it. So I'm just gonna use the same color, but going with a light hand to really blend all of that out. Okay, so I think because of the base that I use, it turned out kind of grayish, greenish, but we're still gonna rock with it, okay? Because I still think it's cute, okay? We gonna do. So for my center color, I think I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is basically a true metallic silver. And, well, how would I explain that one up there? They're both silver, but you get the point, okay? Like, girl. Okay, we're gonna go back in with that gray, the matte color, and just do a little blending, basically, just to tie everything in. And these eyes are so simple. Like, I'm all here for simple eyes, you know? In and out, let's go. Okay. And then we're gonna throw on these lashes, and we're done. Okay, so for my lashes, I'm gonna be using some new lashes by Flutter Lash, and these are the Intoxicating Wing. So basically, this is a new version where it's a little bit more flared out towards the end. Hopefully you guys can see that. Why don't you take it out and show it? I swear. swear you just be trying to take all shots. Okay, there you go. So it's a little bit more winged. So you have intoxicating, which is just a regular version, and then you have intoxicating double lift, where it's like layered, and now you have the wing version, and they're super pretty, and I'm here for it. So we're gonna throw these on, and let's zoom out so we can show out. Okay, so it's time to get glam. Okay, and I just need a little bit of moisturization going on. So I'm going to be using the Mario Badescu facial setting spray or facial spray, and this is the aloe, chamomile, and lavender one. Now I am not going anywhere, so if you're going somewhere, moisturize, do all that you're doing, and put on your sunscreen. Okay. Even though I'm staying in the house and I will be wearing my makeup for a while, I'm going to be going in with the Tatcha primer, and this is like a putty, but it's really mattifying, so I like it, and plus it fills in your pores. So I'm just gonna put this in my trouble areas. I really don't need this all over my face. Like, putting this all over your face, I feel like it's pointless unless you have really textured skin all over, but for me it's just like right in this area right here is where I need it the most. For my paint pot, I'm going to be using Bric-a-Brac today, but I'm also going to be mixing it with a little bit of Painterly for the simple fact that I just want to lighten this up. You know, I feel like Bric-a-Brac is just really truly orange basically, so I'm just going to tap back and forth in these. It doesn't matter that I'm mixing it up like this because this is all I use it for. Yeah, I like that color. You see, that's a little bit more peach, more so than like yellow, like orangey orange is what I'm trying to say. And this is way too much product. I need to share this down. Now that that is completely dry, I am actually going to be trying the Juvia's Place concealers all over my face, just like I've been doing. Okay, still not wearing any foundation, not in the mood for it. So as always, I'm just gonna speed this up because, like I said, you guys seen this already. Y'all seen it a million times. So yeah, let's go. Oh, I should tell you the colors I'm using. I'm using 10, 12, and 13. So the lower the number, the darker it gets. Okay, to set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using Henny Honey and Fenty Henny. I'm going to be using Honey and Nutmeg by Fenty Beauty to set the face as usual. You guys know the drill. Okay, yes, let go. And what is going on with Morphe? Is Morphe on the way out or something? Because most of the brushes that I use, like my face brushes, the best brushes that they actually have, they no longer have. They no longer have on the website. It doesn't even say like it's sold out. It's just off the website, like it's not coming back. Like, what is going on? I feel a little gray today. Okay, sometimes it happens. Okay, but we still gonna do this look. Okay, so now we got the bronzify catch papi eye. Okay, we not gonna dilly, we not gonna downy. Okay, Jace, just a little color for my nose. You know how it goes. Okay, doing the do.
When I close my eyes, she's all I see. I can't find no remedy. My heart's a villain in my chest. She made a cardiac arrest. Oh, medic, man down. My heart's got a serious injury. It's ripped to pieces in my chest. Oh Lord, medic, what can you do? This is some serious witchery. She's my only antidote. Oh,
Okay, so that is it for the hair. So a few more steps and we are done. Blush, inner tear duct, lips, we are done. Okay, so for my blush today, I'm gonna switch it up. Okay, I'm going in with the Power palette, the Power Blush palette by Colored Rain, and this one is called my Day One, and it's basically the burgundy blush with the, I don't know, bronzy highlighter thingamajiggy. Girl, okay, where's my blush brush? I know you lying. Oh, right in front of you. Okay, so trying something new. We branching out. Okay, we doing different stuff. All right, switching it up. I'm proud of myself today. That's pretty. And then I'm gonna go into the glow section and just hit my nose and Cupid's bow. That's all I like to do. You can definitely do more if you want to, but I'm over it. Okay, to finish off the eyes, I am going to go into the lighter shimmer shade, and I'm definitely gonna spritz my brush because I don't want no fallout on this face, boo-boo. Okay, and we're gonna hit that tear duct area with this. Just brighten up that corner. Beautiful. Okay, for my lips, I'm gonna go in with Brownie by Juvia's Place. And we're gonna rim our lips with this. Going for a nude lip, of course. Okay, and for the center of this, I'm gonna go in with Caramel Rose, and this is their gloss. I believe it was a gloss. Was it a gloss or a liquid lipstick? Girl, I think it's a gloss. Yeah, it's a gloss. Okay, so I'm not really going anywhere, so I'm gonna skip setting my face today. Like, it doesn't make any sense because I'm just gonna be in the house, and that's a waste of product. But if you're going out, you definitely want to set your face, set your sprays. Face and sprays. Girl, I need to get it together. Okay, listen, this is it for the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Absolutely love the hair. Very full, very, very, very full. There's still more around the back there, but I don't want to disturb the curls because I want to take some pictures. Okay, yes, absolutely love this. So make sure you check out Megalook. All the information for them will be down in the description box below. Okay, and this is a, I think, 5x5 frontal, and the parting is pretty deep, so you're getting a lot of parting space. If you're the type that love to bleach the knots, you're gonna have to bleach the knots on this because, you see what I'm saying, the lace is pretty transparent, in my opinion, because I haven't even stuck that down, and it looks pretty good. I didn't even pluck it. Y'all know me, I'm a finesse. Y'all know me, I'm a finesse it the way it is, okay? If it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in, we are a happy bunch. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It helps me out. It lets YouTube know, hey, we really like this video, so they're gonna, you know, it's a little boost into the algorithm. Okay, help your girl out. Okay, share the video because sharing is caring. Comment down below because I want to hear from you guys. Follow me on all of my social media platforms. I love you guys. Take care of yourselves, and until the next video, I will see you guys really, really soon.